So this right here is the rowing machine. It's a great workout because it works the full body. I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is how you're going to adjust the intensity. So there's this dial from 1 to 10, and the higher it goes, the harder it's going to be. And you can adjust it to your desired preference. Once you've picked your intensity, you're going to go ahead and take a seat. You're going to strap your feet in, make sure they're nice and snug. You're going to grab the handle. To do this workout, you're going to make sure that your posture is nice and strong. Keep your head up and your chest up, and you're going to push with your legs and pull with your back simultaneously. And you're going to bring that bar into your belly button. Make sure to keep those elbows nice and tight. And keep your posture square at all times. You can go as fast or as slow as you want. Now remember, it's important to keep your body nice and straight and to push with your legs and pull with your arms at the same time. And always remember to listen to your body. If this feels uncomfortable, go ahead and stop.